friends, after a long time I'm making a vlog on an international exhibition organized by Charukrit Art Academy, and I have organized this in March 28th to March 31st, and I hope you like the video. I will show every event and everything that happened in the art event, and please keep watching and keep supporting. Thank you. I am in Dum right now, and let me show you the hotel. Actually, this is the cheapest hotel I have ever entered in my life. This is 800 per night with AC, and this is just a room and attached bathroom. And this is really good actually. This is the first day here, and today is 27th. Our program is from 28th, so I'm one day before here because I have to be ready for the program. Okay, so be with us, keep watching. Thank you. please keep supporting like this and leave your comments, and if you think that I'm doing good, give a thumbs up, and if you still not subscribed, then do it very soon, and we'll meet you very soon in the next video. Thank you.